Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
No one can deny the importance of eggs in our diet because eggs are not only rich in protein but also have minerals and vitamins. It is interesting to know that eggshells are also rich in calcium carbonate. You will be surprised that the human body and plants also need a generous amount of calcium. First of all, let's see how calcium is necessary for plants. Calcium plays a significant role in formation of plant cell walls. It is beneficial for issues related to the physiological attributes of plants. Calcium is necessary at different development stages of plants. Calcium protects plants against critter attacks and different diseases. Calcium improves the soil quality and enables the soil to absorb water efficiently. It is better for the overall production of the plants. Calcium helps plants to grow in uniformity. It improves the root mass of the plants. In the initial stages of plant growth, calcium increases the growth rate of plants. Calcium deficiency makes the soil highly acidic. Calcium deficiency turns the plants brown to black and brown colored spots appear on the leaves. It will be surprising to know that eggshells can play an essential role in fulfilling the calcium deficiency of the plants. So kitchen gardeners should not throw away eggshells. Just collect eggshells, dry them and crush these eggshells into powder form. Sprinkle the powdered eggshells around the plants and on the soil surface, then mix them gently. Do it while growing a new plant. Moreover, before shifting a seedling to the big container, layer the base with crushed eggs in which you want to place the plant permanently. Using the eggshells at different developmental stages of the plant life cycle helps the plants get extra boost and nutrients and give them healthy growth.
Thanks for watching.